Hello, my name is Teresa and I am going to show you how to register for a student account on the Pikes Peak Business and Education Marketplace. Ready? Let's get started. First, I want to let you know that it is best to use Chrome, Firefox, or a Safari browser to complete this process. We're going to start by typing the address into the internet address bar, www.ppbea.org. That will take us to the Pikes Peak Business and Education Alliance website. To enter the marketplace or to register for a marketplace account, we're going to click register in the top right-hand corner of the screen. That's going to open our registration page, and we're going to enter the requested information. So the email I'm going to use today is a test email. My first name is Teresa, and my last name, we're going to use student sample. We're going to create a password that is easy to remember, and we're not going to share it with anyone. The account type will be student. At this time, we'll enter our birthday. Now you can either click on the calendar by clicking up with the month and year bar. It will change to all the months in this year, 2019. If we click in the bar again, it will give us additional year options, and then we can go back as far as we need to in years. So we can click the year of our birth. Then you would choose the month that your birthday is in and the day of your birthday. That will create your birthday. Or you could type in your birthday by simply typing in May 10th, 2000. That will also create your birthday. Next, we will select the district that our school is in. So all member districts are listed in this drop-down. So scroll until you find your district, or if you are a student of a charter school, you will click on charter schools and then select the school that you attend. So for this example, we are going to pick Colorado Springs School District 11. Next, we're going to select a school. So by clicking on this box, we get a drop-down full of middle and high schools that are in Colorado Springs School District 11. So we will scroll through and find which high school I attend. For this example, I'm going to attend Mitchell High School. Next, we can click on the terms and conditions of this website in order to read through them and make sure that we agree before we check the box. The last step in this event is to click the green register button. That's going to give us a notification that a new user has been added. Great. Now we're going to close this window and navigate to our email account. You're going to go to the email account that you entered to complete your registration. You will find an email from www-data no.reply@ppbea.org. This is a safe message, so you can click that it looks safe if that warning comes up on your computer. This is the registration email that comes from the website and asks you to activate your account. It will be addressed to the name you used in the registration. It's going to say welcome to the PPBEA Work-based Learning Marketplace, and it's going to tell you you can activate your account by clicking here, or by clicking on the link, or you can copy and paste the link into the address bar on your web browser. So once we click here, it's going to take us back to the website and tell us that our account has been activated successfully. And now it gives us a chance to sign in. So let's click sign in, and we are going to use the same email address that we use to create the account and the same password. And we're going to click the green login button. Great! This takes us to our student sample dashboard. The website, the marketplace, will always open to the dashboard page. There are several things that you can check out here, so take a minute and explore the marketplace and see what it has to offer. Your next step will be to complete your basic profile. Please click on the Basic Student Profile Completion video to see step-by-step instructions for doing just that. There are also video tutorials to walk you through completing the expanded student profile, as well as how to search for opportunities and apply or connect with them. Thanks for joining me today.